6 question. Make factor tree as large as possible for each of the following. Here we will solve that sum by using the factor tree method. So the number is given to you. First part in is 48. It is same like that we do the earlier. Okay, only we will make a tree here. See that how you will make. The number is given to you 48. Its ones place digit is 8. It means it is a even number. So 48 firstly it is divided on 2. When 48 is divided on 2, our quotient come 24. Okay. Now leave that 2. Okay. Take 24. 24 again it is a even number, so it is divided on again on 2. When 24 is divided on 2, our quotient come 12. Okay. Then again 12 is an even number, so when this 12 is divided on 2, our quotient comes 6. 6 again it will be goes on 2 table. So when 6 is divided on 2, our quotient comes 3. Now 3 is a prime number, so we will leave the 3 here. Okay. जब आपका लास्ट वाला नंबर जब आप उसको डिवाइड करोगे और आपका जो क्वोशिएंट आ जाएगा वो प्राइम नंबर आ जाएगा, तब आप उसको वहीं पे छोड़ दोगे. अंडरस्टैंड. सी दैट अ ट्री इज मेड हियर. यहाँ पे एक ट्री बन गया है. ओके. दैट मेथड इज कॉल्ड द फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. इट मीन्स वी आर फाइंडेड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 48 बाय फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. अंडरस्टैंड. Now the prime factorization of 48 are, how you will write, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. When we multiply all these number, our answer come 48. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 6 in 3 the 48. Understand? Let's do one more part. That is a third part. The number is given to you 56. 56 again it is a even number. Okay. So firstly 56 is divided on 2. When 56 is divided on 2, our quotient come 28. Okay. When this 28 is divided on 2, our quotient come 14. When 14 is divided on 2, our quotient comes 7. So 7 is a prime number. Now okay, see that a tree is made here. यहाँ पे एक ट्री बन गया है. So the prime factorization of 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 4 to the 8, 8 7 the 56. So the prime factorization of 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. I hope that you have understand this concept. Okay, do your homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.